Just want to show you a little bit about the pen tool. You can see it's right here. If I hold it down, there's other tools associated with the pen tool that aren't really that useful to us right now. So we're gonna ignore that part and just keep it on the regular pen tool. If something strange is happening, you might be on one of these other tools. So double check that your pen tool looks just like that. So you can choose your outline color. My favorite color is purple. I'll choose that, and I'll probably give you a larger stroke so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to watch. I'm going to click once, click somewhere else. That's a line. Click again, again, and I can close my shape, and you'll see that little circle, and that is a full closed shape. It's not a perfect rectangle. If I really wanted a perfect rectangle, I'd probably just use the rectangle tool to make the exact thing perfect. So there's a difference between the shape and actually drawing with a pen. Sometimes there is no shape for what you need. So that's why we have the pen tool. And I'm going to also show you how to make something curved. So if I click once, I have to just take a guess where I want to try to click and make my curve. Watch what happens. I'm going to hold my mouse clicker down, holding it and dragging it. See these guidelines have little circles on the end? That's showing you where the top of the arc will go. So there we go. I'm going to let go. My purple. Then it tries to guess your next move, which I don't really care for it doing that, but sometimes it's useful. Let's say you don't want a curve and you want a straight line right now. What do? What I do is I click to accept their curve and I hit the backspace button once. It takes it away, but I have to pick it up where I left off. So I have to get right on the guided dot. I know I'm there because my pen tool just turned to a little slash next to it. Once I get that slash, I can click and I can pick up where I left off. Now I can have a straight line without their little curve that they were trying to guess for me. So there we go. Make a little igloo. I don't know what I'm making, but as you can see, that's how you make a curve with some straight lines. Yep. Okay. Someone says draw a circle with the pen tool. It's probably not going to look good. I'll show you. Watch me try to do it. Probably have to go like this. It's not going to be a good circle. Look, I'll try. If I try to let them guess my next move, click and drag, click and drag. Look how terrible that circle is. That's not a circle. I would use the circle tool. Ellipse right here. There you go. There's your circle tool. With my selection tool, I can adjust it, make it exactly how I want my circle to look. That's a better idea when you need to draw a circle than using the pen tool. However, when you need to draw something organic, where there is no tool for that, you might have to go back to the pen tool and give it another try. You have to take a guess of where you're going to curve it. Look, it's guessing my next curve. I just take it, I'll take it. Here we go. Click and drag. That's how you get curves. Be careful not to end up doing this when you want a circle. This is terrible, and it looks like a stop sign. If you look real close to it, there's little straight edges to it. I'll get up there close. See the little straight edges? That's awful. Looks like a stop sign. So you don't want your circles looking like that or your curves looking like that. Unless you really do want that, but that won't be good if you're trying to make a nice logo and you don't want it to look like a pencil drawing. You want it to look clear and crisp. So that is how you use the pen tool. Thank you.